back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. I know from the comments most of you are wanting non-phone data entry, so that is what I have for you today. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads, and the links to all these are in the description box below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Infraspace Technology Corporation. They are hiring a data entry operator to work remote from home. They are paying anywhere from $17.76 an hour all the way up to $26.76 per hour. Now, of course, the pay that you get offered is going to be dependent on your location and experience, but they are specifically looking for someone to gather, collate, and prepare documents, materials, and information for data entry. You'll conduct research to obtain information for incomplete documents and materials. You'll create digital documents from paper or dictation. You'll review all the documents and information for accuracy and inform your supervisor of any errors or inconsistency. You'll update and maintain databases, archives, and filing system. And of course, you'll monitor and review databases for correcting errors and inconsistencies. They do not require a college degree, only a high school diploma or GED. They want someone who has 1 year experience as a data entry operator or similar, someone who has great typing skills, great time management skills, and can multitask, and someone who has the ability to manage and process high volumes of data accurately. Now, it does say this position can be done entirely remote, so you have to have access to fast, reliable internet and a dependable cell phone connection. However, it does not list any of the benefits. If you are looking for healthcare or benefits, you'll have to ask if they provide those for their full-time employees at the time of the interview. Hey, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.